from the second YouTube. Alright, hello YouTube, the 2 Cools 2. It's update 4, the snowstorm. Well, actually, I keep doing it. The blizzard that's in New York City, the whole Northeast, January 2nd to the 3rd, 2014. It is 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and so New York City schools have been closed. As I said, probably would happen. So it's still snowing out. It's 9 degrees out, and the wind chill, was making me feel like 0. I imagine around 6 or 7 when I was still sleeping, if it was feeling like -10. Actually, well, I don't know the wind chill right now. I'm just taking a guess. So let's take a look here. I know a lot of the shows it's some a little shoveled by people, so I finally got a tape measure. The little one, still working. See the wind. Really picking up. It's still snowing. It's not just the wind blowing around, it's still snowing. The wind's also blowing a lot of snow around. Alright, so I believe this area right here, the snow hasn't been tampered with. I think we need the best bet to measure this. I had to take a few steps in here, kick out some snow. That's a good measurement right now. Just right here. Snow we have. Alright, not a bad amount. So it's 6 to 10, 7. It's to continue snowing the next few hours. Wow, cold. My nose is freezing. In my boots and pants and my boots. The weather stuff they have on for Christmas. Ooh, it's windy. Wow, this is cold. Go upstairs and warm up with hot chocolate or something. Let's see, 7 inches of snow so far. Oh, it's pretty nice snowfall. But it's a bit warmer. I'm gonna stand by the door. It's getting real cold. It's like a winter wonderland. It looks nice when the snow's not dirty in the street from the plows. It eventually turns all black. Let's enjoy it for now. People shoveling for money. I guess. I know that's what all my friends are doing. My friends didn't check their school today. I don't know why. I told them, check the news, it's probably going to be closed. And they all went to school and found out it was closed. Snow blowing around. It's freezing. Alright, so thanks for watching YouTube. I'll have an update later on today, around 11 or 12. See how the storm goes. It's 8:30 right now. This guy's trying to pull out. Let's see if he pulls out. So someone has to get to work or something. He might be able to get out. He took all the snow out when he has to pull out. Thanks for watching YouTube. Bye bye. Just gonna head in here because I have to take my glove off to stop the camera from recording. Touchscreen.